Soft color transitions can turn a simple repeat into a visually calming surface that feels modern and refined without overwhelming the viewer. How to design subtle gradient patterns. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a square canvas around 1600 by 1600 pixels to allow smooth blending space. Select the gradient tool and draw a gentle gradient background using closely related tones, then create a small motif with the shape tool and place it centrally. Duplicate the motif evenly across the canvas using smart guides so spacing stays consistent. Reduce the motif layer opacity slightly so it integrates naturally with the gradient base.